Hi guys, happy summer. Guess what I'm doing today? I am watering my beautiful organic farm that I have behind in my backyard. So let me show you how it looks so far. So what I have grown today is, see, look, I have my cucumber that is coming out, as you can see. So if it's a nice hot day, everything starts blossoming. I have some herbs right there, as you can see. I have the okra plants that are coming out right there. And I also have some green chili that has started blossoming as well. And I have two tomatoes in this plant. Where did my tomatoes go? I have some tomatoes growing as well, some green tomatoes that have started coming. Right here, see this big tomato right there? The green tomato is coming. I have more cucumber plants. And I have these beans growing right here. And some more green chili. And I have some mint that has started growing. I have my basil for my pizza. Some more. I have my tulsi plant right there. And this is the lemon tree that I have, which it's been a few years. I don't see any lemon so far. Then I have my lettuce right here. All organic, very nice, so yummy. Then I have my rose plant right here. Lots of roses coming out. And here, it's very interestingly, I have more cucumber plant and I have these. I have this interesting zucchini plant, which is giving out big zucchini. Look at this. I put it in a big pot, not even in the ground, but I had taken 3 zucchini out already. And more zucchini is coming out. Zucchini is very easy to grow. So I would highly recommend for health and wellness to have some greenery in your garden or a balcony, whatever space you have. It gives you a lot of beautiful energy, positive energy. Just water them and have peaceful time. Talk to them, sing to them, and enjoy it. So thank you for watching my channel, sharing my videos with your family and friends, and happy summer.